In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Microsoft OneNote. Tags in OneNote are simple visual markers that help you label and organize your notes. They're perfect for flagging tasks, calling out important points, or marking questions you want to revisit. Used well, tags turn a long page of text into a clear checklist or a quick summary of what matters most. We'll begin right from your desktop. Make sure your computer is ready, then bring OneNote to the front so you're looking at the notebook and page you want to organize. Take a quick moment to scan your page and identify lines that need attention, things like action items, deadlines, decisions, or key definitions. Having that mental map will make tagging faster and more purposeful. Next, click Home at the top of the OneNote window. The Home tab is where you'll find everyday tools like text formatting, lists, and, importantly, the Tags section. If your window is narrow, the Tags area may look condensed. Maximize the window or look for a small drop-down to reveal the full gallery. Clicking Home ensures the tag options are visible and ready to use. Now in the Tag section, select the tag you need. The gallery includes common choices like To Do, Important, and Question, each with a clear icon such as a checkbox, a star, or a question mark. Place your cursor on the line you want to mark, or highlight a sentence, then click a tag to apply it. The icon appears next to that line, making it stand out when you skim your notes later. If you're using the To Do tag, you can click its checkbox when the task is complete, which is a simple and satisfying way to track progress. If you change your mind, choose a different tag to replace the current one, or clear the tag from that line using the same menu. You can also apply more than one tag to the same line if it serves multiple purposes, like an important task that's also a question for a meeting. For consistency, apply the same tag types to similar items across your page or notebook. That consistency pays off when you review your notes because your eyes quickly learn what each icon means. If you don't see the tag you want in the quick list, use the drop-down in the tag section to reveal additional options. And remember, less is more. Tag only what adds clarity so your page stays clean and focused. That's it. Start from your desktop, click Home at the top, and in the Tag section, select the tags that best label your notes. With a few smart tags, your OneNote pages become easier to scan, prioritize, and act on.